Hello students, welcome to Caliber Convent School A-Digital Learning channel. In today's video, we will study first chapter, that is Principle of Management, part 1 of standard 12. In this video, we will study about the features of principles of management. So students, what is principle of management? Principle of management is nothing but it is just a word or the technical system which give a directional results are called principle. And the principle is universal, applicable everywhere. So let us see the first feature of principle of management, that is universal application. So students, what is universal application? Universal application is nothing but it is just universe in nature. That means they can be applied to all type of organizations, that is of their size and nature. The results may be verified to the applications and mode by modify such situations all kind of organization. That's why they must be applicable in all level of principles of management. Second we can study is general guidelines. So students, as you all know, what is guideline? Guideline is nothing but the thing which is guided by us. Management principles provide general guidelines in tackling the organizational situations very well and solving the problems. It is not possible to get it one by one. That's why there is a general guideline for all the things for helping it and solving the principle of management. The third one we can study is principles formed by practice. Principle formed by practice. So students, as you all know, the thing which we are studied, that practice makes a man perfect. So in the principle of management, practice is a thing which is in the research work and it is systematically organized by the experience and conducted before the developing them. These results can be searched by the experiment and developed by the principles and the practice and organization. The fourth one is flexibility. So students, what is flexibility? Flexibility is nothing but it is one type of management of principle which are flexible in nature. Flexible means they can be changed or modified according to the situation, which we can change and modify according to the situation. Managers can be flexible while implementing the principles to suit their requirement. So it is the fourth point or the feature we can say in principle of management. The second one is behavioral in nature. Its nature can be behavioral. It means management is a group activity and management aims at achieving certain goals through the group of human beings. Human being and management principles are designed by the influence human resources. The next point is causes and effect of relationship. What is cause and effect of relationship? So students, it is nothing but principle of management are the base of taking decision. Means here we can take decision by any time they determine the cause or a reason for a particular effect. For example, payment of good wages and incentives help us to increasing the output of work or for the workers also. It is an effective advertisement which increase the sale of product. The last but not the least is all principles are equal and important. So students, here we can study that each and every principle means all this principle, this is the feature of principle of management and it is equal and important. For example, they can be practiced simultaneously to get best result in the form of achievement of predefined goods. If any specific principle is focused and make or others are not followed with the same focus, then it must be not can be described as a nature and principle of management. So students, here are the 7 features and the 7 points which we can call important features of principle of management. So students, for the homework you have to write this point and inside material also in your notebook.